Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve 19. So this is going to be a beginner's guide. This is not going to be for professionals. This is only for beginners right here. So as you can see, we are in our actual DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. I'm using the public beta 19.2 if I'm not mistaken. And here it's pretty simple. So you want to select your clip, of course, and you want to go here to your own color. From color, you want to go to your color slice, and here you can adjust everything that we need. So here in color slice, as we can see, you can select the part that we want. So let's try to zoom in there. So here you can actually already try to make our reds more hueish right here, and you can see here in the scopes you will see it as more saturated. You can put it in the center, you can adjust it to the left and right, of course, but importantly here, these are the ones we're going to talk about. Density will actually try to make the colors that are already more bland into a higher density right here, as you can see. So the more increased density, as you can see, the more it's becoming red. So we remove the whites already. So we also have our depth right here. As you can see, as we scroll, we can make it more deep. Saturation speaks for itself. You want it saturated or not. Here, the set balance, of course. So basically, this will balance out the colors and the actual photo or the place that you selected. Set depth does the same basically, but hue speaks for itself also. If you want a higher type of hue right here or a different hue, you can do so and select a color of your choice. So if you wanted something red or pink, you can adjust it to your own liking. But basically, of course, we want to try to make it look red, and that is our goal right here. So basically, here we make it more red. Here in the carbon, if you want to adjust that, we can also do so. So there we go. We have matched our perfect red in that certain spot. So there you go, guys. This is just a quick tutorial on how you color grade easier here in the 19th of DaVinci Resolve Studio with its new feature featuring here our color slice. So you can mess around, of course, and do better work than I did. So you can select your certain colors right here and adjust them to your liking. So if you're going to select red right here, you want to place your red in higher hue and depend on your saturation and many much more. So you even have your library right here where you can select your box blur and many more effects that are available right here on DaVinci Resolve 19 at your fingertips. So let's just say you want your mosaic blur, you can do so right here, and it's gonna actually just, as you can see, it just did that. So you can add a node actually if you want to, and then just connect that, of course, here and then here, then out it right there. So there. So now it's connected both to this, and then you can select your mosaic somewhere here. So it's not gonna output yet, and there you go. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.